In this video, we'll show you how to remove audio from a video using CapCut. This method works on both Android and iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. Tap on New Project and select the video you want to edit. Then tap Add to import the video into the timeline. Once your video is added, tap on the video clip in the timeline to select it. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Volume or Audio. Now, drag the volume slider all the way down to 0. This will mute the sound in your video. If you want to completely remove the audio track, tap on Extract Audio or Detach Audio if available. Then delete the audio layer from the timeline. Your video will now have no sound. You can now add music, voiceover, or keep the video silent. When you're done, tap the export button in the top right corner and save your video. And that's how you remove audio from a video in CapCut. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy CapCut and video editing tutorials. Thanks for watching.